Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you schedule a message on WhatsApp. So now what's the purpose behind this? Some people might say, well, sometimes you have to wish someone their birthday and you have to do it exactly at 12. So now some of us just forget, some of us just do remember, but we don't have enough time to make a well thought message and send it right at 12. So what we can do is we can just schedule a message. We can type the message prior to sending, and then we can just go ahead and send it. So first of all, we need a third party app for this. Now I don't know if there are many apps out there. I did not do much research, but for this video I'm using WA Planner, which is WhatsApp Planner. So basically you just schedule your WhatsApp messages and then you can go ahead and send them. So I'm just gonna go to the app real quick. I'm on WhatsApp Planner. Right now I already have this contact selected, because if I press this plus button that would reveal all my contacts, so I'm just trying to avoid that. So I already have a contact selected, and next I'm just gonna pick a time, like let's make it 27. How do I make it 27? Yeah, dragged it to 27. I press OK. I press my message hi. Okay, it's 27 already, so I'm just gonna take the time back to 28. Now you can go and type a message whatever you need. Like I already said a hi, I'm just gonna change it to a hi x2, so we can always know that it was this message, right? I'm just gonna press send, and we're gonna wait a little bit till it's 9:28. As soon as it's 9:28, I'll be getting a notification here, and then I can send the message, right? As you guys can see, it's 9:28 and I have my tap to send ready, and I press that and boom, my message will go through. And that is pretty much easy to do. I hope it's not much hassle. Unfortunately, I could not find any app that just does it without the permission, but in my opinion I think it's like rather safe that it asks for your permission on the last second. So you can also add an alarm to it. Right now I have my phone on do not disturb, that's why you didn't hear anything, but you can go and change that right here. And that is all, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.